Traveling Artist, a STEAM enrichment program for grades 4 through 6, supports up to 30 learners. In the first box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum and more resources. Your Traveling Artist program includes a comprehensive instructor guide and printed student pages. The instructor guide makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Each day includes a detailed material list and daily prep section. Additionally, you'll receive everything your learners will need to complete the activities: storage bins, painting supplies, marbling ink, tape, foam, cardboard, scissors, pencils and sharpeners, crayons, glue, specialty paper, reusable page pockets, and yarn. Traveling Artist is designed for turnkey implementation. Refill kits are also available that make it easy to restock supplies for your next group of world traveling artists. Optional daily slides and activity videos are included with this program. However, another benefit of Traveling Artist is that there are no tech requirements. Explore different cultures of the world with or without an internet connection. For more information about this easy-to-implement program, visit edventures.com or give us a call to connect with a STEM program expert.